Poco F7 hard reset. Full factory reset step-by-step method 1. Using hardware keys. When phone won't boot. Step 1. Turn off phone, long press power. Step 2. Hold power, volume up until Poco logo shows. Step 3. Release power. Keep holding volume up. Step 4. In recovery menu, use volume keys to go to wipe data. Press power. Step 5. Select wipe all data, confirm with power. Step 6. After wipe, select reboot system with power. Step 7. Phone restarts fresh. Method 2. Via settings. If phone boots normally, Step 1. Open settings, go to about phone or system. Step 2. Tap factory reset or erase all data. Step 3. Enter PIN password if asked. Step 4. Tap erase everything and confirm. Step 5. Phone will auto restart to factory state.